Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to do Study Bunny. So this is a great app for studying if you guys want to study, of course. So yeah, or you could have it as a time. So like if you wanted to draw for a specific amount of time, put that on and you're ready to draw. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to use the Study Bunny. So of course, when you start, it will ask you what you want to name your bunny. I named mine's Baby Bunny because I don't really know what to name it. But if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. So as you can see, I'm in my Study Bunny's room. So in her room, I bought you can buy a few things to decorate your bunny. So obviously I bought a pet rock, a pencil case, some books, and a poster thing. So first, once you open this little tab with 3 lines, you will see a book. Once you click on the book, you can choose the amount of minutes you want to do something for. So you can do it 5 minutes to 180 minutes. So yes. Next to it, you can see how much you studied over the month and things like that. Then next to the little thing, you'll see a shopping cart. When you go into the shopping cart, this is where you can buy accessories for it. You could, with the coins you get from doing the thing you were doing, so like studying or like drawing or something like that, you will get coins every time you finish. So you can buy things for your bunny, a background, just accessories like these, or you can buy food, pets, holiday lights, or just fun stuff that you can have. And here is where you have, well, really good badges that you could get. So yeah, it goes all the way to 50 hours, to all the way down to 5,000 hours. And then this is just new announcements. Down here beneath the book is a checklist. When you go to the checklist, there's a to-do. So you could just write a random thing. I just wrote that. You could delete it or cross it off or anything like that. Next to the checklist, you'll see some cards. This is flashcards. This is where you will be able to, let's say you have a spelling test. Then you could add a card, write the word, so you could just write some word. And then beneath it, you could write the thing, you can write the meaning of it. So yeah, that is what that is. And then next to it is music. This is where you can get some new music for your bunny and give some coins to get some more music. So like anything like that. So yeah. And then here is where you can watch ads if you wanted to get more coins for your bunny. But these carrots are what you need to have because that way your bunny will be happy so that you can feed it. Then last of all is settings. This is where you could see your happy meter, or you have a redeem code, you want challenge mode, or you accidentally gain coins and then your bunny's name. So that's what those are. Then as you can see on the top bar, there's a big line and it's all green. That means your bunny is very happy and it's feeling good. If it's all the way white, that means your bunny's sick. It needs some carrots or it just needs something. And then if it's in the middle, then it's fine. And as you can see next, beneath it, you can see the coins, of course. And then beneath the coins are the carrots. When you have a carrot, just drag it and then you can you can go ahead and make your bunny eat it. And yeah, you can also decorate your bunny's room. So you could add books, you can add pets, you can do anything you like. So anyways, you guys, I really hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications only if you want to, because it would really, and please watch another one of these videos because it will really help out my channel. And share. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!